It is 7:23. Franciscan Health is recruiting adults for a new COVID-19 clinical trial. They're hoping it'll lead them a step closer to fighting off the coronavirus. The trial will evaluate the effectiveness of an antibody treatment drug. And joining me live to talk about this is Dr. Imad Shawa, a pulmonary critical care specialist and the principal investigator for this Franciscan study. Doctor, thank you so much. We are so intrigued, and to learn from someone like you, we appreciate you for being here today.
Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity.
Yeah, so tell us, I mean, I feel like I need this, dummied down for me. This Blaze 1 study, what does this do with this antibody therapy?
So this is a phase 2 study. This study is utilizing an antibody, a monoclonal antibody that had been extracted from the lymphocytes of one of the first patients, American patients, who got infected with the virus. That protein, that antibody, is directed against the S protein at the surface of the virus. And that protein just happened to be the one that the virus utilizes to attach itself to our cells and get into our cells and replicating and destroying the cells and having more viruses to infect other cells. So by blocking that protein using this antibody will lead to blocking the virus or decreasing the ability of the virus to enter our cells and replicating and infecting other cells. So hopefully this will be a, quote, game changer, in quote, and will have a huge impact on the management and the treatment and the effects of the virus in our communities and worldwide.
We sure do hope so. Do you already have everybody in this clinical trial, or do you need more people, or do you already have them?
We need more. We need more people. The study is multi-center, placebo-controlled, double-blinded, which means that we would need patients to enroll. Some of them will get the actual medicine, the actual antibody, and some will get placebo, which is basically water. We need 400 patients.
Wow.
To be enrolled, and the enrollment's still open. We are looking for patients or people who are infected with the virus, tested positive within the last 3 days, and they have symptoms mild to moderate. The symptoms could be fever, sore throat, cough, weakness, GI symptoms, and so on and so forth.
I don't want to interrupt you, but I do, because I want to make sure this is clear. Did you say that you need people that have been infected within the last 3 days? And is this something that as soon as they learn, you need them to know about this study so they can enroll?
Absolutely.
Okay, so if anybody's watching and they are, right, they end up in the next day or so getting COVID, you want them to reach out. And do they reach out to the hospital directly? How do they do that?
Actually, we have the information, and they can reach the hospital. We have a research team ready, waiting to enroll those patients. And once the patient is enrolled, once the patient comes to our center, we will have a discussion, obtain a consent, explain to the patients what we are doing, and enroll the patients. At the same setting, we will infuse the drug. It takes about an hour to infuse that drug.
Wow.
We will watch the patients for about an hour or so. We'll be drawing the blood before and after the infusion, and after that we will be following the patients by phone and by face-to-face visit.
And Doctor, we'll go ahead and put all of that up on fox59.com so that the folks can get that and have it at one location. We really appreciate you joining us this morning.